Experiencing issues pairing your Rogers Xfinity XR11 or XR15 remote with your TV? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the most effective solutions. The primary cause for pairing failures involves code mismatches, interference, or incorrect setup. We'll cover reprogramming with specific codes, using the Xfinity app for assisted setup, and performing essential hardware checks. Start by ensuring your remote has fresh AA batteries and is within 10 feet of the TV. Obstructions can also interfere with the signal, so clear the path between the remote and the TV's IR sensor. Before diving in, remember that the Xfinity app now features AI-powered troubleshooting. Rogers users often resolve the issue by downloading the Xfinity app on Android or iOS, as it handles TV brand detection and applies codes automatically. First, try the manual pairing method. Press the Setup button on your remote until the LED light turns green, then enter your TV's specific power code. Common codes include 10178 for Samsung TVs, 11423 for LG TVs, and 100 for Sony TVs. After entering the code, test the pairing by turning your TV on and off. If the manual method fails, perform a factory reset. Simply hold down the Setup button and the Xfinity button on your remote for 3 seconds. This will clear any previous pairing data and allow you to start fresh. Next, use the Xfinity app's Remote Setup feature for easier pairing. Open the app, navigate to the Remote Setup section, and scan your TV's QR code. This provides instant pairing with AI-powered diagnostics that can detect any interference issues automatically. For advanced fixes, check the Rogers Ignite platform for Alexa integration, which provides voice-guided setup instructions. Also, ensure your remote has the latest firmware updates by checking for updates in the Xfinity app. If issues persist, visit the Xfinity support site or Rogers forums for TV-specific or region-specific codes. Remember that physical hardware failure, such as an IR sensor malfunction, is less common. Most issues are resolved through app-driven or code-related solutions.